How to install iOS 18 beta on the iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is open up your web browser, go into Safari, type in beta Apple. You then want to select Apple Beta Software Program. You want to scroll down and you want to sign in. It'll then ask you to confirm your email address and your Apple account. Select that. You'll then be taken to the agreement. You want to scroll down and select agree. You want to make sure that you've selected iOS. You'll then want to scroll down and select enroll your iOS device. You'll then want to make sure that you've got your iPhone backed up. Now you want to exit and go to settings. In settings, you want to go to general. You then want to go to software update. And here it will show you the iOS program that's up. Unfortunately, my iPhone doesn't have enough storage to install the new beta, but if you did, an option to download the beta should appear. You'd select that. You then enter your password and select download. In software updates, you then select beta updates. You then scroll down and select iOS 18 developer beta. You then go back and select update now. You'd enter in your password and then you'd wait for the iOS 18 beta to download. As you can see, iOS 17 is only available in my region, so that would be the most up-to-date developed beta that I could download. But once that's downloaded, you then select install now, and that's how you install an iOS 18 beta onto an iPhone.